Am I the only one that didn't know how annoying animal sounds can be? Let's dive into the top 10 worst ones. Here we go, folks. Number 10. The peacock's honk. It's like a rusty car horn and a banshee scream had a baby. Next up, number 9. The kookaburra's laugh. Imagine a maniacal clown at a comedy club. Yikes. Number 8. The donkey's bray. It's the animal kingdom's version of nails on a chalkboard. Number 7. The cicada's buzz. More like a tiny chainsaw and surround sound. Annoying much? Number 6. The hyena's cackle. It's like that one friend who laughs at their own joke. Forever. Number 5. The guinea fowl's screech. Think of it as nature's alarm clock from hell. Number 4. The fox's scream. Ever heard a fox? Sounds like they're auditioning for a horror movie. Number 3. The frog's croak. Not the cute ribbit. We're talking the I need a lozenge kind. Number 2. The seagull's call. It's basically an avian argument over stale fries. Yes. And finally, number 1. The rooster's crow. Why? Because waking up at 5 a.m. is never funny. Ever. There you have it. The worst animal noises you can't unhear. Which one drives you crazy? Let us know in the comments.